How to change the color of your buttons in your Shopify Horizon theme. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. It is a very simple process, so let's just go ahead and get to it. First, you will need to just go to your online store, go to themes, and then just click on edit theme. From here, we have this button here that we can just, test things with, but it's going to work with any other button as well. So first, we will need to actually go ahead and select a proper color that we want for this. So we want to go to the theme settings and we want to click on colors. From here, we simply just want to click on add scheme. Once you click on add new scheme, you can feel free to just adjust everything, not only the color of the button, but everything. So the entire background, the headings, the text, all of these things. But then we also have the primary button, and then we also have the secondary, and these are going to be two different ones that we can select later on. But you can feel free to just change it to whatever you like. So you can give it a background of, red, and then we can just make sure the text inside is black, for example. And, just play around with the other elements here that you want. So if you want to change the hover color, you can also do that. And the hover text as well. So hover basically means once you hover over it, as you can see, it does change colors a little bit. So if you want to change the hover text color, feel free to do so. And borders if you want. Same goes for the secondary. If you want to have two different ones, I recommend that you do depending on the situation. So for example, if this is high contrast, this is going to be low contrast and so on. So once you're happy with this, you can just go in and save this scheme. So it's scheme 8. And then we just want to go to the section where it actually has the button. So for example, this one, and you want to click on it. From here, you simply just want to scroll down, and each section has this, so don't worry. And then you just want to find appearance, and then you want to find color scheme. Just select the new one. And now you can actually see that we have, because the scheme has the text as black, so this is why. But we want to select the button now, and then from here we just want to make sure that it is the primary one. And as you can see, the button has now changed colors. So this is pretty much it. Now again, why this text changed colors? This is because if we just go back to theme and scheme 8, we can see the text and the headings are pretty much in black, so we can just make sure that these are white like so, and it's going to change back. So we can apply this to any other section. So for example, if we just go to products and go to default product page. So if we go to the default product page, for example, we have these buttons. You simply want to first trace where this is connected to. So to do so, it's very simple. We can see by buttons, and these are under the where is it, the details in general, but then the details is also under the product information. So you want to change product information itself, click on scheme and go to scheme 8, and as you can see, that pretty much works. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.